Virasana Hero Pose. Start in a kneeling position and then sit back on your heels. If this position feels comfortable for you, for your knees especially and for your ankles, then you can go forward into the complete position where you sit in between your feet. Keep your back straight. And say a couple of breath cycles in this position. Make sure to be sensitive and listen to your body. If you feel any little pain in your knees or in your ankles, then please go out of the position. I offer some modifications for those of you who have those discomforts. You can use a pillow and you can put that. First thing is you can stay in the first version where you are not sitting in between your feet, only on your feet. Or you can make that even more comfortable by putting a pillow on your feet and sitting on the pillow. This will relieve a little bit the tension in the knees, and it's gonna be less stretching for the thighs. So if your thighs are really tight, then this can help you, and you can always use a little bit higher support even. You can also put this pillow in between your feet and sit back on it like this. And if the discomfort is in your ankles, because the ankles are also being stretched in this position, then you can use a thin padding like a towel on the floor and do the position that way. Or you can use a folded towel, a rolled up towel, put it on the floor and put it under your ankles in this part. This should make it more comfortable for the ankles in the beginning, and then after, step by step, your ankles will be more relaxed and open.